Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti D. Gulwani with Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. Now today we are going to start with our chapter number 2, that is e-banking. So let us firstly start with the meaning of e-banking. What is e-banking? Let us firstly understand it deeply. Then first we will understand the features and then we'll go with the details. So Internet banking is the system that provides the facility to the customer to conduct the financial and non-financial transaction from his net banking account. Now, everyone is aware right now with the net banking. Before going with the net banking, see first of all, a person needs to open a bank account with a particular bank. You can open it either with the private bank or with the public bank or with the cooperative bank. Nowadays, this internet banking facility is provided by different kinds of bank. The first requirement to go with this service is what? You have to open a bank account in a particular bank. Now that account can be any bank account. We have already learned this type of account. That is, it can be saving account, it can be current account, it can be fixed deposit account, it can be any account. Now, once a account is open over there, and as you are depositing money into your bank account, now डेली इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गो टू द बैंक, हर रोज़ अगर आपको बैंक में नहीं जाना है तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस फैसिलिटी ऑफ इंटरनेट बैंकिंग. Now, directly you cannot start the internet banking as after opening the account. But for that, certain procedure is to be followed by you if you want to go with the internet banking system. For that, certain rules and regulations are also there of the bank which you have to follow. So for internet banking, actually nowadays in the form, as you are opening your bank account, in the form itself it is given that whether you want to use your internet banking or not. Then you can say that you can use the application also. Nowadays applications are widely available in the market. What is application? You know people it very well, so not going into the detail of application. Or directly with the website also you can go with the internet banking. So first of all, what is the basic meaning of internet banking? As it is clear over here, internet banking is the system that provides the facility to the customer to conduct the financial and non-financial transaction from his net banking account. आपका financial transaction है या तो non-financial, मतलब आपने वहाँ पे जो भी काम किया है विद द यू कैन से दैट बिजनेस और विदाउट योर बिजनेस. आप अगर शॉपिंग करते हो या तो आप कुछ और काम कर रहे हो जिसका आप पेमेंट कर रहे हो, तो इट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इंटरनेट बैंकिंग. देन नेक्स्ट इज the user can transfer funds from his account to other accounts to the same bank or to the different bank using a website or an online application. The customer uses a resource and a medium to conduct financial transaction. Means, see, as I said that first of all you have to open your bank account in a particular bank. Now it is not compulsory that you have to transfer amount into the same bank only. Suppose if your bank account is into the BOB, that doesn't mean that you can transfer amount only into the BOB of the person to whom you want to pay. जिसको आपको पे करना है उसका अकाउंट BOB में ही हो, ऐसा कोई कंपल्सन नहीं है. तो सी यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र योर अमाउंट इन द सेम बैंक और इनटू द डिफरेंट बैंक. मतलब जिसको पे करना है उसका अकाउंट कोई अगर दूसरी बैंक में भी है तो यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र अमाउंट फ्रॉम योर अकाउंट टू अनदर अकाउंट. फॉर दैट व्हाट इज़ द रिक्वायरमेंट? फॉर दैट आइदर यू हैव टू गो विद द वेबसाइट और you have to go with the online application. What is website? What is online application? You are clear about it, so not going into the detail. So you can transfer easily money from one bank to another bank. The customer only uses a resource and a medium to conduct financial transaction. That means medium मतलब या तो वो ऑनलाइन ये एप्लीकेशन यूज़ करते हैं या तो वो वेबसाइट यूज़ करते हैं. दैट इज़ नोन एज अ रिसोर्स और एज अ मीडियम टू डू व्हाट, टू डू देयर ट्रांजेक्शन. Then the resource that a customer uses might be an electronic device like a computer, a laptop, or a mobile phone. The internet is the medium that makes the technology possible. आपका resource, as I said that you can use website or online application, but for that website and for that application what is requirement over there? Either you need a computer or you need a laptop or you need mobile phone. Why? Because this website and this application only can be used this in resources only. कंप्यूटर में भी ओपन करके आप आपका ट्रांजेक्शन कर सकते हो, लैपटॉप में भी कर सकते हो, मोबाइल फ़ोन में भी कर सकते हो. Nowadays widely people are using mobile phone only to do their transaction, because in previous age we can say that in traditional phase mobile was not having too much facility, but nowadays it can be used more than a laptop or more than a computer, or we can say that all the facilities of computer and laptop are available in our mobile phone. So for doing our transaction we can use computer, laptop or mobile phone. Now for that only requirement of laptop, mobile phone is not required, but with that internet facility should be must. What is internet? That you know very well. So to operate with your computer, laptop and mobile phone, internet is must, so that you can do your transaction. Without internet your internet banking or e-banking is not possible. So what are the features of net banking? Let us go with the features first. So number one in this is a customer can view account statement. Account statement, that is whatever daily transaction are done by you, you can check your statement directly from net banking. Previously what happened that directly you were not able to see your transaction. For that what you have to do, आपको क्या करना होता रहता था, you have to visit the bank branch first, then over there you have to give the application for the statement. फिर वो लोग आपको प्रिंट निकाल के देते थे कि आपने कितने कितने ट्रांजेक्शन किए हैं. That was the previous scenario, but nowadays by a single click directly you can review your account statement. आपने कितने खर्चे किए, आपके अकाउंट में से कितना अमाउंट डेबिट हुआ, कितना क्रेडिट हुआ, कितने बैंक वालों ने एसएमएस के चार्जेस कट किए, एटीएम के कट किए. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी रिवील्ड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द एप्लीकेशन और फ्रॉम नेट बैंकिंग, from website. So this is a most important feature of the net banking. Number two, a customer can check history of transaction for a given period by a consent bank. अभी हम लोग अगर स्टेटमेंट पे क्लिक करें तो उसमें 7-8 ट्रांजेक्शन ही बताते हैं. You can try it at your home also if your parents are having this facility, or even if you have your bank account and if you have application in your mobile phone, then you can also check that. Only few statement it will show to us. But if we want to check the transaction related to suppose last month, that is from the month of August, or if we want to know the transaction for the month of June, for the month of July, for the month of May, then directly by putting the date into our application we can check this particular transaction. So not only we can see the current transaction, but we can also see the history, that is previous transaction also, by putting the dates into the particular boxes. Then bank statements, various types of forms, application can be downloaded. सिर्फ आप आपके नेट बैंकिंग के थ्रू सिर्फ आपको स्टेटमेंट नहीं मिलते, अलग अलग टाइप के फॉर्म्स भी मिलते हैं, एप्लीकेशन भी डाउनलोड हो सकती है. कौन से टाइप के फॉर्म होते हैं? तो फॉर्म फॉर चेक बुक. नाउ सी बहुत सारे लोग चेक बुक भी यूज़ करते हैं डायरेक्टली. दे आर नॉट यूजिंग द नेट बैंकिंग फॉर ईच एंड एवरी पर्पज, सो दे आर यूजिंग check book also. So whenever you have shortage of your check, that means if your checkbook is fully empty and if you want to put the application for the checkbook, then it can be downloaded from the mobile form itself, and different types of forms are also available for it. कौन से टाइप का फॉर्म भरना होता है वो भी उसमें अवेलेबल होता है. एज वेल एज इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक, then that different kinds of forms are available on the website. So directly you can go through it and you can download it with the help of net banking. Next is a customer can transfer funds, pay any kind of bill, recharge mobiles, DTH connection, etc. आप एज आई सेड दैट यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र मनी फ्रॉम वन बैंक टू अनदर बैंक. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसका अकाउंट आपकी बैंक में ही होना चाहिए. यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र योर मनी from one bank to another bank, as well as see more facilities available in the way of core banking. What is core banking? We will see it later on. लेकिन आप यहाँ से किसी और के अकाउंट में पैसा भर सकते हो who is residing in the another city. Suppose if you are residing in Surat and people to whom you want to pay money is residing in Bombay, then you can transfer money to them over there also. It is not so that only it is transfer from Vapi to Vapi. सिर्फ Vapi to Vapi shift नहीं होता है. Money is transferred from one city to another city also. Then पे एनी काइंड ऑफ बिल. आप कोई भी टाइप के बिल आपके भर सकते हो. मोबाइल बिल पे कर सकते हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, देन लाइट बिल. यू कैन पे एनी काइंड ऑफ बिल विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इंटरनेट बैंकिंग. यू कैन रिचार्ज योर मोबाइल्स ऑल्सो. अभी तो लोग ईजीली मोबाइल को रिचार्ज करते हैं. दोज हु आर हाईली अवेयर अबाउट द यूज़ ऑफ द नेट बैंकिंग, जिनको इसका मेन यूज़ पता है ज़्यादातर, वो लोग मोबाइल के थ्रू ही रिचार्ज कर लेते हैं from the net banking. Then DTH connection. Nowadays directly DTH is available at each and every home. अलग अलग DTH भले ही available हो, but we can recharge it easily with the help of net banking. DTH is what? That is our dish connection. जो हम लोग TV देखते हैं उसके लिए जो कनेक्शन घर पे अवेलेबल होता है, फिर वो कोई भी कंपनी का हो सकता है. डिश टीवी हो सकता है, टाटा हो सकता है, रिलायंस हो सकता है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो if you want to recharge your DTH connection, it can be charged from the net banking. Then a customer can sell or buy through e-commerce platforms. Now see, we are using different kinds of sites like Amazon, then we can say that Alibaba. बहुत सारी ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल हैं जहाँ पे हम हमारे गुड्स सेल भी कर सकते हैं एज वेल एज परचेज भी कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ अ फैसिलिटी विच इज़ अवेलेबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेट बैंकिंग. नेट बैंकिंग के थ्रू आप परचेज भी कर सकते हो, सेल भी कर सकते हो. दैन अ कस्टमर कैन इन्वेस्ट एंड कंडक्ट ट्रेड. आप डायरेक्टली थ्रू इंटरनेट आप वहाँ पे कहीं पे भी पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन एनी काइंड ऑफ शेयर्स, डिबेंचर्स, बॉन्ड्स, एंड यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन एनी अदर company also, and you can conduct your trade. That means you can do your business. So through net banking you can invest as well as you can conduct your trade. Then next is a customer can book transport, travel packages and medical packages also. Say if you want to travel from one city to another city, from one state to another state, then if you are traveling through train, then too you can book your facility, as well as if you are traveling through buses also, then nowadays even government is also providing this kind of facility. So directly your tickets can be booked from the help of this net banking. You can book your travel packages, that is if you want to go on tour, so full packages are available on the different websites who are doing the business. So you can do the full traveling package booking also, as well as medical packages, that is in case of certain uncertainties, if certain issues are there, then for that certain medical packages are also booked by customer. So in this way, दैट इज़ हॉस्पिटल्स आर ऑल्सो बुक्ड. सपोज अभी आप जा रहे हो कहीं पे और आपका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, इमीडिएटली इफ़ यू वांट सर्विस तो यू कैन book your particular hospital also. They will take you and just will do all the necessary treatments. So these are the features mainly of the internet banking. So repeating in brief again, internet banking is a system that provides facility to the customer to conduct financial and non-financial transaction with the help of net banking. You can transfer amount not to a same bank, but you can transfer it to the different bank also. For that, different kinds of sources can be used like computer, laptop, mobile phone, through which you can use the mobile application, through which you can use the application or website. Then different features are there. You can see your statement for current month. You can see different transactions related to history also. You can not only see the statement, but you can download different forms and applications also. You can do the payment of different kinds of bills. You can recharge different mobiles and DTH connection, as well as you can do the e-commerce business. You can buy and sell from this internet facility. Customer can invest and conduct their business, as well as you can book the different kinds of ticket for bus, for air, for railway, as well as if you want to go on tour, then you can just book your travel packages also. So here we are concluding with the meaning and features of e-banking. In the next video, we will go with the more information. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.